How to fix all RAM not fully usable in Windows 10, 11, 8, or 7. So if you want to fix all RAM not fully usable in your Windows, then what you need to do is just go with search. Under search, you need to search for msconfig, hit the enter, and it will open up the system configuration. Once you open it up, now you just need to simply go with the boot option. Under boot, go with advanced options and go with the upper right, which is the maximum memory. And if you toggle it on, you just need to simply toggle it off and go with OK and go with apply and then OK. And after that, you need to restart. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with the second option, which is again go with search and search for REGEDIT and then hit the enter and click on yes. And here you just need to simply go with the upper side and you need to enter computer, HK local machine, and then system. You can enter right here or you can just follow the steps, which is HK local machine and then system and control a current control set and then go with control. And under control, you need to enlarge it and go with session manager. Under session manager, you need to go with memory management and make sure that you're on this kind of interface, which is computer, HK local machine, system, current control set, control, session manager, memory management. Once you're under the memory management, you'll get this kind of interface on the right side. And here you will have these two options on the left. You just need to simply go with the second option, which is clear page file at shutdown. Double click on it and it will give you the value data. You just need to simply go and enter the value data as 1 and then go with OK. And after that, you just need to simply go back and you need to restart your device. And after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix all RAM not fully usable. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.